Before and after the web internet. Before the internet, communication was slow and limited. People relied on letters, newspaper, and landline phone to connect and get information. Devices run by the internet. Today, many of your devices depend on the internet to function. These include smartphones, laptops, smart TVs, tablets, and even smartwatches. Powerful application on the web. There are many powerful applications that we use every day. Example include Google for research, information, YouTube for watching and learning, Facebook and TikTok for connecting with people, and Zoom or Google Meet for online meetings and classes.